Hello guys, welcome back once again to SAC tutorial, and today we'll be looking at Far Cry 4. Yes, today we'll be looking a little bit of gaming, and it's a major issue. You start up Far Cry 4 and then it takes forever to load, or it doesn't load at all. It sometimes crash. So I'll show you. Okay, that's a splash screen. Okay, now just watch. As you can see, it's not popping up, it's not loading, it has just crashed. So what you're going to look at now is how to fix it. Let's go to the task manager. As you can see here, it says not responding. So it will just be like this. It will take forever. Nothing is going to happen. So we're just going to end the task and then go to my computer and go to manage. Then we'll be looking at device manager and then head to human interface devices. Now this is what you're going to do. You're going to disable this one, HID compliant game controller. I'm going to disable it. It says disabling the device will cause it to stop functioning. Do you really want to disable it? Yes. So this is as a result of maybe a faulty controller attached or something else. So just disable it, and then, or you can decide to unplug the controller if you want. Maybe that will still work for you. Then let's start the game again. And you can see we are up and running. The game is now working. It's loading. And let's see. Let's look at the task manager. Okay, it says not responding, but it's still loading. It needs a little bit of time to fully load. So that's it. Now we have our Far Cry 4 working 100%. Okay guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe if this video was helpful to you. Thank you guys for sticking around. See you next time. Bye bye.